Hello, my friend, and welcome to day 3 of our 30-day real-life English speaking challenge. You've already completed 2 days of practice, and now you're here for day 3. That is something to be proud of. You're not only watching English lessons, you're building a daily speaking habit, one useful situation at a time. Today, we're going to the airport. Airports can feel confusing, especially when people speak quickly and you don't know what to say. You may need to find the correct check-in counter, show your passport, check in your luggage, choose a seat, find your gate, or ask when boarding begins. By the end of this lesson, you'll have simple English sentences that can help you handle these situations more confidently. First, listen to a complete conversation between a passenger and an airline employee. Try to understand the situation from the conversation before I explain the language. After the conversation, we'll study 10 useful phrases and 10 everyday airport words. Finally, you'll practice 10 important sentences with me. You'll hear each sentence slowly and then at a natural speed. Please don't only listen during the practice, speak aloud with me. This is how you train your mouth and mind to use the English you already know. And don't worry if you miss a few words. Keep listening. You may understand more than you expect. Here is today's listening question. What is David's gate number? Write your answer in the comments. Stay with me to the end to check your answer and practice the exact sentences you may need at an airport. If this challenge is helping you practice consistently, subscribe so you can continue with us tomorrow. Now, imagine that David has arrived at the airport. He's flying to London and he needs to check in for his flight. Listen carefully.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to check in, please.
Certainly. Where are you flying today?
I'm flying to London.
May I see your passport, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Do you have your booking confirmation?
Yes, I have it on my phone.
Great. Could you show it to me?
Certainly. Is this the right one?
Yes, that's it. Thank you.
Is everything okay with my booking?
Yes, your reservation is confirmed.
That's good.
How many bags are you checking in?
Just one suitcase.
Please put it on the scale.
All right. Is it too heavy?
I'm afraid it's 3 kilograms overweight.
Oh, really? What is the limit?
The limit is 23 kilograms.
How much does my suitcase weigh?
It weighs 26 kilograms.
What can I do?
You can pay an extra baggage fee.
Is there another option?
Yes, you can move a few things into your carry-on bag.
That sounds better. May I open my suitcase here?
Yes, of course.
I'll take out this jacket and these 2 books.
All right, let's weigh the suitcase again.
Is it within the limit now?
Yes, it weighs 23 kilograms now.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Did you pack this suitcase yourself?
Yes, I did.
Has anyone given you anything to carry?
No.
Have you left your suitcase alone at any time?
No, I've kept it with me.
Good. Would you like an aisle seat or a window seat?
I'd prefer an aisle seat, please.
Let me check.
Okay.
I'm sorry, there aren't any aisle seats available.
Oh, do you have a window seat?
Yes, there's a window seat near the front.
That's fine. I'll take it.
Great. Your seat number is 14A.
Is that beside the window?
Yes, it is.
Perfect.
Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you. What gate should I go to?
Your flight leaves from gate B12.
Sorry, could you say that again?
Certainly. Gate B12.
B12. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
How do I get there?
Go through security and turn left.
Turn left after security?
Yes, Then follow the signs for gates B1 to B20.
Is the gate far from here?
It's about a 10-minute walk.
All right. What time does boarding begin?
Boarding begins at 10:15.
And what time does the flight leave?
The flight leaves at 11 o'clock.
Has the flight been delayed?
Only by 15 minutes.
What time was it supposed to leave?
It was supposed to leave at 10:45.
I understand. Should I go to the gate now?
Yes, it's a good idea to go through security now.
Do I need to show my passport at the gate?
Yes, keep your passport and boarding pass with you.
All right. Is there anything else I should know?
Please be at the gate before boarding begins.
I will. Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant flight.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Well done. You've just listened to a complete airport check-in conversation. Now, let's look at 10 useful phrases you can use at an airport. 1. I'd like to check in, please. Use this when you arrive at the airline counter and want to check in for your flight. You can say, I'd like to check in, please. I'd like to check in for my flight to London. We'd like to check in, please. 2. May I see your passport, please? An airline employee may use this sentence to ask for your passport. You can answer, of course, here you are. Yes, here's my passport. Certainly, one moment, please. 3. How many bags are you checking in? This means, how many bags do you want the airline to carry in the luggage area of the plane? You can answer, I'm checking in 1 suitcase. I have 2 bags to check in. Just 1 suitcase. 4. Is it too heavy? Use this to ask if your bag is over the airline's weight limit. You can say, is my suitcase too heavy? Is it within the weight limit? Do I need to pay an extra fee? 5. What is the weight limit? Use this to ask how heavy your suitcase is allowed to be. You can say, what is the weight limit? What is the limit for checked luggage? What is the carry-on weight limit? 6. I'd prefer an aisle seat. Use I'd prefer to politely say which option you want. You can say, I'd prefer an aisle seat. I'd prefer a window seat. I'd prefer a seat near the front. 7. What gate should I go to? Use this to ask where you should wait for your flight. You can also say, which gate is my flight leaving from? Where is gate B12? Is this the correct gate? 8. Sorry, could you say that again? Use this when you don't hear or understand something. You can say, sorry, could you say that again? Could you repeat the gate number, please? Could you speak more slowly, please? 9. What time does boarding begin? Use this to ask when passengers can begin entering the plane. You can also say, what time does the flight leave? Has the boarding started? Is the flight on time? 10. Has the flight been delayed? Use this to ask if the flight will leave later than planned. You can say, has the flight been delayed? How long is the delay? What is the new departure time? Now, let's learn 10 common airport words from the conversation. 1. Passport. A passport is an official document you use when traveling to another country. Please keep your passport with you. 2. Booking confirmation. A booking confirmation shows that you have reserved and paid for your flight. My booking confirmation is on my phone. 3. Suitcase. A suitcase is a large bag used for carrying clothes and other things when traveling. My clothes are in my suitcase. 4. Scale. A scale is a machine used to measure the weight of your luggage. Please put your suitcase on the scale. 5. Overweight. If your bag is overweight, it is heavier than the airline allows. My suitcase is 3 kilograms overweight. 6. Carry-on bag. A carry-on bag is a small bag you can take onto the plane with you. I put my books in my carry-on bag. 7. Aisle seat. An aisle seat is beside the space where people walk inside the plane. I'd prefer an aisle seat. 8. Window seat. A window seat is beside the window of the plane. David chooses a window seat. 9. Boarding pass. A boarding pass is the document that allows you to enter the plane. It usually shows your gate and seat number. Here is your boarding pass. 10. Gate. A gate is the airport area where passengers wait and board their flight. David's flight leaves from gate B12. Now, it's time for your speaking practice. You'll hear each sentence twice. The first time will be slow. Listen carefully and repeat the sentence. The second time will be at a natural speed. Repeat it again and try to copy my rhythm. Speak clearly. You don't need to rush. Sentence 1. I'd like to check in, please. I'd like to check in, please. Sentence 2. May I see your passport, please? May I see your passport, please? Sentence 3. I have one suitcase to check in. I have one suitcase to check in. Sentence 4. What is the weight limit? What is the weight limit? Sentence 5. Is my suitcase too heavy? Is my suitcase too heavy? Sentence 6. I'd prefer an aisle seat, please. I'd prefer an aisle seat, please. Sentence 7. What gate should I go to? What gate should I go to? Sentence 8. Sorry, could you say that again? Sorry, could you say that again? Sentence 9. What time does boarding begin? What time does boarding begin? Sentence 10. Has the flight been delayed? Has the flight been delayed? Excellent work! You listened, learned, and spoke English aloud. Now, let's check today's listening question. At the beginning, I asked, what is David's gate number? The answer is, David's gate number is B12. Emma said, your flight leaves from gate B12. David didn't hear the gate number clearly the first time, so he asked her to repeat it. Then he confirmed it by saying, B12, is that correct? If you answered B12, well done. you listened carefully. If your answer was different, don't worry. Listening becomes easier with practice. Listen to the conversation again and see if you can hear the answer this time. Congratulations! You've completed day 3 of the 30-day real-life English speaking challenge. You made it through another full lesson, and that matters. 3 days of practice may seem small, but this is how confidence grows. 1 day, 1 situation, and 1 conversation at a time. Today, you practiced checking in at an airport. You learned how to show your travel documents, talk about your luggage, choose a seat, find your gate, ask about boarding, and understand a flight delay. Most importantly, you didn't only listen, you spoke the sentences aloud. That speaking practice is helping you prepare for real conversations. Repeat the shadowing section whenever you have time. As the sentences become familiar, try to say them without reading. If you've completed today's lesson, write Day 3 complete in the comments. I want to celebrate your progress with you. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with another English learner who may find it useful. Then, continue to Day 4 of the challenge. We'll practice another everyday situation and learn more English you can actually use.
You've made it to Day 3. Keep going. I'm George, and I'll be waiting for you in the next lesson.